Today I'll teach you how to draw with ellipses. Drawing cylindrical forms is not easy for a lot of people, and these ellipses are going to help you actually to create or to render cylindrical objects. The first and main thing is just practice spirals. Let your hand flow more smoothly. Then keep drawing ovals, keep repeating them. This is actually going to help you to understand different eye levels. Think of wider ovals, narrow ovals, and these shapes are actually going to further help you to create quick and smooth drawings with bold strokes. Now see, I am practicing ellipses in different angle, little bit different sizes. Some are a little bit more wider. You will feel as if some you are seeing from beneath, some you are seeing from side or on the same eye level. Now see, with this spiral that I did, I can easily make an object, and I will know exactly if there are any patterns, how the lines or the patterns are going to go along the form. Now see, again I'm drawing these in a way that, see, you can, if you go further, it will become longer and you can make a glass. Now these I am showing as if there is a bowl within the bowl. So because of these ellipses, repetition helped me to understand how it's going to be. I just did the outline and I got the form. Now I'll do some, let's say, like a longer one, like a glass. So I continue, then I'll go for another one. Keep repeating. This one is wider from top, narrow from the bottom, more like a glass. And then I did the outline. This is initial practice. Then with this practice you will get more confident. Now I'm going to try, let's say, another one, a bowl. Then I will do, you see, I'll do another object as if it's behind the bowl, and so it will be a bit smaller, as well as another one which is the longest. Again I will consider it behind the bowl, but these ellipses helped me to understand how and where it's going to be. So this one comes at front, and the other two behind it.